now confirm you completers of Argerona Elementary School, Argerona, Bulan, Sorsogon, this 27th day of May 2024.
Good afternoon. I have the honor to present to you the candidates for graduation 24, composed of 8 boys and 6 girls, with a total of 14. For they satisfactorily completed the requirements for graduation. I therefore certify these candidates for graduation have full requirements prescribed by the Department of Education under the elementary curriculum. Ma'am, they are now ready.
Okay, again, for the authority vested in me by the school's division superintendent, Dr. William E. Gando, CESO 6,